Hello, I'm Shalini. Welcome to Ananda Chandra College. This is a short tour of my college. Ananda Chandra College was established in 1942. It is one of the best institutes in North Bengal in terms of size, quality and performance.
It has 20 academic departments comprising 9 science subjects and 11 humanities and social sciences.
With a sizable population of 5,000, our college community is diverse, vibrant and bustling with activities.
Our college has a formidable team of 115 faculty members dedicated to nurturing and guiding the students.
This is the college library. It houses a huge collection of books as well as a variety of journals.
The college has a lush green campus spread over 22 acres of land.
This is the newly constructed science block. Currently, it houses the departments of physics, chemistry, mathematics and physiology.
Ananda Chandra College offers many opportunities for students to cultivate various skills, talents and interests that extend beyond classroom learning. The college has a range of clubs including the drama club, film club, book reading club and eco club.
Our college is equipped with providing a wide range of services such as NCC and NSS. It also provides various facilities for games and sports.
The college also offers opportunities for study tours, fieldwork and excursions.
The college has a 2-storied boys' hostel. The hostel has a capacity of 80 students.
The college also has a 3-storied girls' hostel with a capacity of accommodating 110 female students.
We look forward to seeing you in the college.